So for this hands-on exercise, we're going to look at the detail in the summary element. So I'm going to create an interactive widget that details and summary elements created. So I'm going to go to my 11.10, and inside of that I want to get the template folder, and that's what we're going to start building off of. So chapter 1 template. So I'm going to configure the text principles of visual design here. And then within the body tag, and now I'm going to configure or code the details and summary that's listed in my book. So I'm going to come in here and go details, summary. So I have my open closing details, my open closing summary. After my summary, I'm going to code my paragraph. So now that I've got all of that the way I want it, I'm going to copy that and come down here, because again, work smarter, not harder. So there's repetition. We're going to come to contrast. After contrast, we have proximity. Group related items. After proximity, we have alignment. Okay, we've got all of that. Gonna save it. Launch it in Chrome. Notice that I have little arrows, and if I click the arrow, it will give me the drop down of the text, or what I put in that paragraph tag. So instead of a description and definition list where everything's on the page, I can now choose which ones I want to open and close.